What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best heat press machines 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. CULTEK is a brand that will offer you great products in an affordable price range. While the heat press machine is not an inexpensive product, the CULTEK option is still cheaper than most other choices. Up next, we are bringing you the most affordable heat press machine that you can find in the market right now. Not only is this heat press machine cheap, but it is also a perfect option for home-based applications. You will be getting a 12 by 10 inches working area on the CULTEK heat press machines that use Teflon coating for best results. Hence, your vinyl or clothing items will be perfectly safe while on this machine. The cover also makes it easier to clean the machine later on. The CULTEK heat press machines are designed with safety as the first priority. You can use the machine up to a maximum temperature of 482 degrees Fahrenheit that you adjust via the LCD display available on the front. The heating process automatically halts once the desired temperature is reached. You can also input the desired time frame, and the machine will alert you when the time limit is reached. Number 4. The F2C 5-in-1 Pro multifunction heat press machine comes with various attachments, allowing the ability to customize mugs, pads, hats, and t-shirts. This multifunctional machine includes a shirt press bed, cap press equipment, a cylindrical heating bed for mugs, and circular heating discs for plates. It can be used with heat transfer vinyl and sublimation transfers. A 360-degree swaying away design with a digital LED controller, non-stick surface, and detachable aluminum alloy cradle allow users to quickly swap heat platens. Genuinely an all-in-one machine, the F2C 5-in-1 Pro heat press is a quality choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Number 3. Circus is also one of the brands that are known for its high-quality heat press machines. Similar to our previous choices, Circus is also the choice of the many existing users. Our third pick for the best heat press machine is the Circus heat press machine. Specifically designed for applications like t-shirt printing, this heat press machine features a rectangular working area measuring 12 by 15 inches. Hence, you can easily fit a full-size t-shirt at once. Also, it is the first multifunctional heat press machine from our picks, as it is a 5-in-1 machine. You will get a Teflon-coated plate, a cap press, a mug press and 2 different plate presses with 6 inches diameters, respectively. Great attention is given to the safety of the user of the Circus heat press machine, as there is a 360-degree swaying away handle present on the top of the machine. Also, the machine is designed with an industrial-grade steel frame to provide an error-free performance. Unfortunately, the warranty period of the Circus heat press machine is limited to 180 days. Number 2. PowerPress is the best choice for heavy-duty machines. The brand mainly focuses on high-powered heat press machines and their peripherals. We are putting the most powerful heat press machine in second place on our list. Hence, if you are a commercial user, you do not have to browse further for the best heat press machine. With a wide 15 by 15 inches printing area, the PowerPress heat press machine is capable of providing 750 degrees Fahrenheit working temperature. Still, it only requires 110 volts input, which is standard for most machines. The maximum power output of the PowerPress heat press machine can be up to 1,400 watts depending on the application. The PowerPress heat press machine features a silicone gel board so that your product does not get damaged at the time of application. You can also adjust the working pressure as needed for the type of product you are using. The machine also includes a replaceable fuse that can be easily replaced in case of overheating or overcurrent. You will be able to use the machine at the desired temperature for up to 15 to 16 minutes. It comes with a year of warranty provided by PowerPress. Number 1. Users opt in for a reliable and tested product, especially while buying an expensive machine. Thus, The Fancier Studio heat press machine is present on top of our list. Coming in the first place, we have the Fancier Studio Power Heat Press. With similar construction and form factor to most heat press machines, the Fancier Studio Power Heat Press offers a 15 by 15 inches working area that comes with a heat press sheet included with the machine. You will be needing 110 volts input for the machine and can get up to 1800 watts power output, which should be more than enough for applications like t-shirt printing. The available temperature range for the Fancier Studio Power Heat Press ranges between 0 to 699 degrees Fahrenheit, which can be applied for anywhere between 0 to 15 minutes. There are dedicated controllers provided on the machine for the time of application, as well as heat controllers to get precise results. Along with that, you can also control the pressure by adjusting the level present on top of the machine. Fancier Studio has backed this machine for 2 years of brand warranty. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.